Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add your business photos in Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Click on the pencil icon next to your business name. Now under Business Photos section, click on Add button. Click on Pick from Gallery. Select a photo from your gallery. Similarly, you can add 2 more photos. That's it, changes has been saved. This is how you can add your business photos in Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.